Hey, Time Twist Hub fans, think toilets are new? Nope, the Minoans had flush toilets 4,000 years ago. Here's the twist. Around 2000 BC on Crete, these Bronze Age pros built palaces like Knossos with clay pipes and running water. Drop waste, flush it away, genius. Stone seats, drainage to sewers, it's plumbing way before Rome. They even had bathtubs, fancy for 4,000 years back. Why? Cleanliness and swag. Minoans lived big. Rome gets credit, but Minoans piped up first. Wild, right? Love ancient quirks? Subscribe to Time Twist Hub. More shorts dropping weekly.